In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit with layers in Luminar Neo. If you've ever wanted to blend images, add textures or light effects, and fine-tune adjustments with precision, layers are the key. Think of layers as transparent sheets stacked on top of your base photo. Each one can hold an overlay, a texture, even another image, and each layer can be edited and blended independently. This gives you the creative freedom of an advanced editor while keeping your workflow organized and non-destructive. Start by launching Luminar Neo and opening the photo you want to enhance. Switch to the Edit tab, where you'll find the Layers panel and all the tools we'll use. This is your main workspace for stacking elements and refining the look. To add a layer, go to the Layers panel in the upper left and click the plus icon. You can bring in your own images, textures, or logos from My Images, or choose from built-in overlays like flares, light leaks, stardust bokeh, and sparklers. Click an option, and it appears as a new layer above your base photo. You're not limited to one. Feel free to add multiple layers to build a more complex style. Once a layer is added, adjust how it interacts with your photo. Start with the opacity slider to control strength. Lower values give a subtle wash. Higher values make the effect more pronounced. Then explore blend modes, which change how the layer mixes with what's beneath it. Screen works beautifully for light effects like flares. Overlay boosts contrast and color pop, and multiply darkens for moodier looks. If the overlay doesn't quite fit, use transform to resize, rotate, or reposition. Drag the corners to scale and hold shift to preserve proportions. For precision, use masking to control exactly where the layer appears. Choose a masking tool. Brush for painting by hand, gradient for smooth transitions, AI assisted for smart selections, or a luminosity mask to target highlights, midtones, or shadows based on brightness. Paint in or out the areas where you want the effect to show, like keeping a snow overlay only in the sky. Soft edges and lower brush opacity can help blend everything naturally. Each layer also has its own edit stack, so you can apply tools such as exposure, color, or structure to that layer alone without affecting the base image. Just select the layer first, then make your adjustments. You might blur only a texture layer, or refine tones on a secondary image while leaving the rest untouched. Finally, manage your stack by rearranging, hiding, or removing layers. Drag layers up or down to change the order. Right-click to hide a layer for a quick before and after, and delete any layer you no longer need. With these essentials, you're ready to craft layered, polished edits in Luminar Neo.